Good morning, students. In today's revision work, all of you do this worksheet. Question 1. Write the opposite of the following words. Your words are dishonest, come, cold, laugh, punish, sad. Question 2. What did the lion see when he looked into the well? Options are the other animals, the 5 other rabbits, his own reflection, the rabbit's reflection. Question 3. Where did the animals schedule to have the meeting? In the lion's den, in the forest under a big tree, beside the well? None of these. Question 4. The animals had a problem with the lion because options are he was killing more animals, he was very selfish king, he chose to eat animal as his meal, all of the above. Question 5. Why did the lion jump into the well? Options are he liked to swim, he was thirsty, he saw his reflection, he wanted to kill the other lion. Question 6. Why was the rabbit unwilling to go to the lion? Options are he did not want to be killed, he was too old to walk, he wanted to spend time, he was scared of the lion. Question 7. What would you do if you find a pencil box in the playground? Options are I put it in my bag, I give it to my friend, I do not do anything, I would give to my class teacher. Question 8. Why was the river goddess placed? Options are to see the dishonesty of the woodcutter, to see the honesty of the woodcutter, to see the good behavior of the woodcutter, none of these. Question 9. The name of our school is, all of you see all spellings well. Which one is the correct spelling of your school? Question 10. First of all, we went to the case of, options are bear, monkey, cat, tiger. This question is from your composition, a visit to the zoo. So students, all of you do all these questions in your revision copy.